Hi, I have a 1992 Olympic white Stratocaster. I wanted to give it that vintage age look. Now, I went to the internet and I bought some aged knobs, and they came in and they're as white as the ones I had on there. So I didn't pay too much money for them, so I ordered another set. This time it was parchment color or something different, I don't know, and I got them in, and they're just as white as the ones I had on there. Now I have this old radio in the garage, and I pulled it out and I pulled a knob off of there, and look at that's what the color I wanted. Look at that yellow. Look at that. I don't know if you can see, but see, that's the color I wanted, was that yellow color. Well, I noticed on the internet, YouTube, that a lot of people were using a coffee solution and throwing the knobs in there and dyeing them. So I tried that. I got me a mason jar, filled it up with brewed coffee, threw the knobs in there, and I'm gonna show you right now. We'll move to the kitchen, and 3 days later, the results that we got and what I did to achieve this. Look at that. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at this and this. Look at I don't know if you can see that. Look at that. A little better focus maybe. Look at that. Oh man, they're almost, I mean, look at that colors. Look at that. Now watch. Look at this. Look at this. Look at the difference in colors. I mean, oh my goodness. My goodness, that's... I'm going to show you how I did this. I'm going to move to the kitchen. We'll be right back. Okay, I have my coffee solution here, and let's just pour it all out. And let's just see what... Here's my pickup covers. Now, it's a little off-white, but I'm really kind of disappointed. These have been cooking for about 4 or 5 days. They ain't really done nothing. It's a little off-white, but it's not what I want. We'll dry those off and make a comparison. Now watch these. Now this knob is an aftermarket switch knob. I did do a genuine Fender switch knob that turned out brown. Turned out real nice. This one didn't do nothing. But it hasn't been in there, I think, 3 days. Look at that. That's nothing. And that's nothing. That's nothing. And this one, it is off-white, I have to say. It did age. But look at this. Now look at these 3 knobs. They are becoming that real nice brown. They need a couple more days, I think. But look at that. Now these have been in the same time. And I don't know if you can see, but I'll put it on the white paper. And I can see that, what a difference. So there is quite a difference. These pickup covers, let me dry these off, and then we'll put them on the white piece of typing paper, and we'll see what the difference and how it came out. Okay, so as we see, to achieve this beautiful aged color, one thing that I do recommend is use instant coffee. Do not use brewed coffee. Instant coffee worked a lot better for me. I use Folgers instant crystals. Even the folks in the finest of restaurants can't tell a difference. And it worked out really well. Another thing that I can tell you is that the knobs with the 4 spokes aftermarket do not absorb as well as the 3-spoke. These 3-spoke genuine Fender knobs really came out nice. And so now I just need to buy me a mint green pickguard or parchment, I don't know, some sort of different color than white. I do not like white. Look at this this switch. I don't know if you can tell, but boy, that came out good. But look at, let's just sort of set that on there like that, and then look at how boy, that's just gonna look really good. So use instant Folgers crystals, instant coffee anyway, and use genuine Fender knobs, and you can achieve that aged look that you're looking for. Good luck to you. Good day.